So this morning we have a lot of snow and Boomer is excited to go outside. So we're gonna head outside now and take a walk. Hey Boomer, sit. You wanna go outside? Sit. Sit. You're not sitting, are you? Sit. You wanna go outside? Oh, looking outside. You want to go outside? Let's go outside. All right, downstairs. Hey, Boomer. Ready to go outside? Want to go outside? Obviously she does. Go, go, go. Good dog. Okay, let's go outside. I've now put Boomer's leash on. So we're going outside. Boomer, go this way.